guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Okay. Okay, before I go there. Ya wawegi. The whole world wawegi. Wawegi. Me my also can gwajiberi o. Where it was a supermarket in here. If you don't put a supermarket in Spain, my also here very on you. Or tell me call him a Germany there. Or what if granola here working gaga. Now, presently now, granola here is now 20 euros. So with 20 euro, 5 liters na ka. There formerly, the men have very jogwa. They now we ship a goose jogwa. Na deli mi jogwa mo container jogwa. Again, we are buying that 5 liters, €4.75. Ma wade no bu again. Even again, men na jogwa be 2017. We ya me. The granola here ni me dey arewa ya bi me ko kiyon be. Ijesha. Ebani me na for flow di nakin ni viari wa data before ke are edo. So now let me use English when we're able because every niata oga agmohia you know. My wife, how you dey? I'll call you later. Well done. So the thing I want to talk be say things the whole world just dey shake. I don't know whether it shake for where una dey. The world just dey shake. Everything now. Not be say what they for here, but now things don't dey cost. Everything don't dey cost. Person no fit buy granola here again. Person no fit buy nothing. Everything just increase times 10. Not be say for maybe times 2, times 10. Now so everything don't increase. Granola here where person they buy before that time when they buy at €4.75. Later I come enter that kind €7, €8. Lastly, that day they sell €10 something. But now it's not €20, €20 something. Now, how person go take survive all these things? When my junior sister called me that day, say, EJC, everything done they cost. Now don't buy granola you put for us. Now I rush go look. I check it and say that we get granola, we get olive oil, we get palm oil, everything they still there. So I can't even tell my pikin say if you finish it, say the thing they cost say then we will not even see buy again. The next make we dey chop a hiobo na we get like hiobo. Now wetin I tell my son be that say we go dey drink, make we just dey buy, make we dey cook without oil. If na so na that one na be the thing where they want take constantly fight war again. So not be only granola oil now dey cost so everything don dey cost for everywhere now. Food, if you even span itself, they stand for was it last week? They just stand for gate of a supermarket here. Many of them, almost 7 of them, they just they talk. I can't stand. I say, what did these people do? You know, if you press bell. Mama, press the bell. I'm done. Okay. Vale. Buenos días. La puerta abajo. Cierra la puerta abajo. Pero mi hijo viene ahora. Vale. Vale. Sorry, no verse. I just said that my children when they go buy something, everything done they cost for everywhere. So we won't buy something for us. Me I dey do some work for house this morning. That make me not follow them. Things just everywhere. I just tired. 2020. Now coronavirus that we fight. Coronavirus it happen for China. We can't suffer for here. Russia and Ukraine they fight now. We they suffer for here. Me I don't understand though. The thing not let me understand. So now that thing I just the thing say me no understand. I not just understand what thing they happen so. So my people, the thing when just dey there be say when I think wetin carry me come here now. Now this Look when they carry another person logo the. Okay. Wetin just carry me come here na wetin this cripple woman wey go Mercy land go look for miracle. Along the line, he come lost his son since 2019 to is it 2019? Till now, he not see his son. So now because of that one, now I just come. Because of wetin happen. Now, yesterday, I come see them here say they still go lock that woman. They arrest the woman. The world is wicked. Oh. That's why you not get leg. After so not be man of God. Good afternoon. Well done. That's why you not get leg. Crippled woman, disabled person. You see get the mind. Come still go arrest her. That thing pay me. When I dey listen to Maureen Adebajo, when they do the video, and so cold just dey catch me for bed. I say, me wey I not be woman of God. I know they go church. I no fit do that kind thing. Crippled woman. Okay, make me come get one club today. Abi, is it club? Wetin I will call her? One, I don't know wetin I won't call her because I no go open church. If I no go ever open church because the way na they do church now, nothing go make me say I won't go open church. Me I come pretend say I be woman of God. Then I go they do bad under it. I don't fit do am. It's better I just show myself wetin I be. Make people know who I am. Now so be me. I don't get any secret. Now see. So person when we say in Pikin lost, the woman they shout, they cry. She is in pain, heavy pain. Nobody when not know how painful it is to lose your. See if I company and I talk where I still talk that thing. Obalo sisi, eron sisi, ofurese, eronmo. Nobody when you don't know how Pikin the pain person. That woman is in pain. Pikin when carry common for us, he not sick, nothing do am. He come back till today, more than 2 years plus now. He not see that Pikin. You come see me that woman not talk. I when they not beg here, they not talk say the person where they beat say make it not cry. They not go talk say person where they don't beat say make it not cry. They not go talk like that. You see? Crippled woman, you still go arrest her. Tomorrow you still call yourself a man of God. If really you are a man of God, Prophet Jeremiah, whether not prophet, I will calling you that prophet. I don't know. There are many prophets. I don't know the prophet, the type of prophet where you be. See, those days, because this Christianity, this Bible, when I bring, so now take and disconnect everybody from our roots. Yeah, what as so that bando the nether ya gwalo. When I carry Bible put for hand, they preach Bible say juju not good though. This one not good though. Now the word of God now they preach. If something lost, human being lost in those days. He get one man they call him one egbe for Yokorium. They go carry that man one egbe. One egbe when they turn and say so person lost, they don't know where he dey. Whether na Zakari and go bush na kill them kill am na kidnap them kill am. One egbe go talk where he dey. Then they go carry one egbe that time. The time when una not talk say una ancestors not good though. Now they go meet one egbe. That time. One egbe go detect am. As a one egbe as a prophet of a Nikao. And Yokpanyayi of Yokorion. He go tell the place what happened and he go even go where they carry that Pikin go. The juju go carry and go that place. And so they detect that time. You see that one they do for Mama Village. That one they call her Eaton. If person still or person talk lie, you go that place. That thing go tell you the true thing. The truth, the person who thief that money or the person where he talk lie. Eaton. Yeah, we Jimmy. They do it for Mama Village. Now so na be man of God, Elijah of our time. So that kind of thing can happen for your church. If really, this one is a challenge to you. If really you are a man of God, you could have proved yourself. Say, get that Pikin day, you go pro. Can I pro? When I don't hear secret of some person for back, when I come say, can I pro? Why can't you pro for this one, Prophet Jeremiah? Why can't you pro for this one now? Make you pro, make them know where that pikin dey. If that pikin not there with you, make you pro, make them know where that pikin dey. When I don't hear secret of somebody finish now, come out for public say, can I pro? Can I pro? They will say, make you dey pro. Me want you to pro now and detect where that pikin dey. Make you leave that crippled woman alone. She is in pain. You're not the pity person. After now, soon a follower of Christ. How many people Jesus Christ persecute? How many people Jesus Christ arrest during his ministry? As you see that woman, person will not get leg, not get leg. Just they manage. The stupid husband, when he born those children for, still run live one. He run live 4 children with another Pikin. Well, another girl, grown up girl, 18 years, he run live that one for ram. Another Pikin, another woman born. If this crippled woman is not a strong woman, it's not a good woman, he go take care of, he go throw away that Pikin. Because he never know how he go take training. On talk like say go carry another, you can't leave another person Pikin. See, give am again. That one now they run, they go. You see all these things when happen since, so you not even get the feeling. Say, okay, let me come, make I go meet my woman. Make you not even call her your wife. Make I meet this woman. Make I ask her wetin happen. How the Pikin tell us. Make you with her. Join hands together to fight this battle. That's, you see the reason why I say I don't like men. Now be this so. Only this crippled woman. They suffer, they work out, they talk, they tell people, make them help them. Make them help them, make them come to this woman. And that made this woman, they complain for everybody. Person when he enjoyed in 2019, more than 2 years ago, when he Pikin lost, person when he enjoyed, see they find Pikin, he not endure. All that woman body, they feel her pain. It be like fire. So now somebody that call himself man of dog, not be man of God though. God not they do this. God not say me that they do this kind of thing. That kind of person go arrest. Bless when not get leg. You will see send people make they go arrest and put them for prison. Make it for not talk. No. See how heartless. Tomorrow na go carry Bible so na they go church. Me I know they go church better person. I know they go church. Me I know this kind of thing I don't fit do one to person. I don't fit do one. Somebody will come my house and say, I think come my house, in phone loss or in money loss. I go help and find them because now my house is for loss. I'll help her anywhere, anything when I get, when I'll take find her, I go help and find her. Somebody come your church, you pay money, pay 18,000 for gate fees, you pay 3,000 for sticker. You see, pay another money. All the money when you pay is going to more than 20,000. In Pikin, still lost a Pikin. That kind of woman, that kind of crippled woman, none still collect money. If you're not there heartless, none still collect money for a hand before you let her enter the messy land, the wicked land. Now, because of this one, they tell you now, my people say, make una they look well, make una reason well. This time around, the church should not be the ultimate. If you have problem, you can lay down in your house and pray to talk to your God in your house. Talk to your God. Make you just sit down for your talk to God. God go hear you with clean heart. If you not plan evil against anybody, Almighty God will create, will send you come this world, go hear you. Not be any man of God you want until you see one man of God first. Want somebody, not be say there are no men of God though, they are men of dog. Until you see them first before you come, before your problem go solve. No. See this thing, I just get small word when I want now. The word when I just because of an come. Now it just be this. Now it just be this. Wetin Omoto Fifi do? E not good though. And he get one woman where they say she sent. Wetin they call her that grace. That grace, that hippopotamus. You see, say now you will be woman when you know the pain. You can't see come out again. You mother. You don't born grace, so you don't born. No, you can't see the person go can't send you that kind of errand. If now me they send me that kind of errand, no they gonna say anything when the woman like to talk, make it talk because she is in pain. She's finding a solution to how you go to see in Pikin. Then make the woman they talk to everybody, anybody where you see they talk. Who go feel help and see the Pikin? You want be woman? Why you not invite your prophet, your pastor? Say as you call yourself man of God, you say you are a prophet. I beg, see, make you see the vision where the Pikin dey. You foretell your prophet like that. so that your prophet go help that woman find now. Now prophet Jeremiah, now you go for help that woman find this pikin when lost. So not be say she is in pain. She don't want to destroy your ministry. As you call yourself man of God, a prophet, when they pro, now you for help this woman pro find where that pikin dey. You understand? Okay. That you go prove to the world that you are innocent. Yeah? First you go carry 4 children come your church. One come miss for inside. You no go pay now. You go talk to everybody now. And I see here say Sister Bisola, where is he go there? May he go bail the woman. They see detain that woman for being. E no good though. E good make una dey behave well. Make una dey act as man of God though, as una call una self o, but me no say una no be man of God. Una no be man of God. Pastor ni we be don sọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀ kan jin yan ya afẹ́fẹ́ mu ma awe ma ni zopa lọ́jọ́ ma gbe awe ma no mi ku kan ma we ni gwa lo de ko de ni aya si we su ko to o do bo no o de church no ke mi dan no bo no ma riri ya ma we mama do bi wa o sa lo gba kan ajiyan ma keke ni ari ya ye o sa o gba kan ajiyan ma o sa lo gba no jagbon je mi to kan ajiyan ma because yen gwa la go da man come no mo bi oku no sa lo gba kan ajiyan no kin ma to pe ke kan since 2019 ope ni na ope ni oku ni orun go ba lo ma nebe won bo be mo we wa we man of God wa hin ma we be go nínú be to han na we yari e ku o ma no ibu yan we be lenu na we ni yan na we detain wa e ko all this kind one na they do na say when na so na be pastor so na be man of God gio papa be wetin they call una as you see that woman when be say that woman na cripple disabled person for European they help pass o na government recognize pass. I don't know why that Africa won't come be like that. Disabled woman, they take care of 4 children, including your own stepdaughter. They take care of her. Say problem, you get problem. I make it go find solution. Now so problem take on come be times 2. Pikin when carry go where they suffer. He even say that in a cesarean section, 90 born the 4 children. Now when I say na be man of God, make na the thinker na. You don't see wetin they come cause, wetin they come use Bible take cause for this Africa people body. They use the Bible take disconnect everything, take disconnect us from our gods. You see our Benin parable say, "Omo no we vulnerable yen to mi ega wi emi mi ja gbe." As we come carry Bible put for head now, they say Jesus they go. We don't disconnect ourselves from our ancestors, from our gods. If our team lost, we not go see something when we go say, "Hey, who take this thing?" Oh, the gods not go answer now because we don't come out for the way of the gods. We don't offend the gods. We Africa, we don't offend our gods. Our gods, what we say, now we know the gods of our land. Now come embrace another tribe, another culture. Come dey practice am. When your thing come lost, now wetin you wan come take find am? You want to Bible take find am. You see agazo de bado then odeneda yagwalo. Now see the whole world don turn upside down. See that woman. I can remember olden days, not even olden days, now this generation, now my eye dey reach at that time. That one they call, get one man they call one egbe for Yokorion. If something human being lost means like this, they'll go meet that man. And one egbe go direct where the person dey go there. So wetin happen to that person? If they don't kill and they don't bury am, one egbe go talk am. They kidnap am or still dey alive, one egbe go talk and go the place. And so that thing still dey happen that time. You see, get one wey dey for my mama village, they call am Itan. Maybe money loss or then talk like against you. Go there, that it and now this leaf where they take the tie rice, now they take the do. So where they go perform the ritual put for this thing, so they go hold on. Now that one they take they know the truth. But now when we say they say all those things, say na evil, say na demon. Okay, the gods where you don't call demon, where you don't call say no good, you not get eye, you not get mouth, you not get ear, they hear. Now you come meet now, say oh yeah oh. Your Pikin loss or something they happen for country, make that ancestors where you don't call demon, don't call babati, make it come inside you. You see now see what thing they happen. Somebody even herbalists no go fit do this kind of thing when Jeremiah do so. That woman, if supposing the woman even still get complete body self. You for still reason person when husband abandon leave 4 children for even live in stepdaughter, see that kind of man, that man is good make them put fire for his neck anywhere he do, make them set fire on top of that man. Can see the reason why me say I don't like man wey go just tell you say come to say I love you, I just hate him. You go be like say make I kill him. See the kind heartless man where that woman go marry. Since when this thing dey happen, not come since say okay make I come, make my wife wetin happen, how the thing take happen? Maybe say na them too they won't dey find the Pikin. We just leave that person wey no get leg. Person when we get 2 legs, see dey waka, so things still dey hard us. We see dey cry say life hard, things dey difficult. Now you come see person wey no still get 2 leg dey creep for ground. Ew, God. Salobo jinyama o jinyama abu down jinyama. Okay, Bisola when you still go there and make you go bed the woman. Bisola, anywhere you dey, the Lord is your strength. You will be out of that place. The Lord is your strength. I know say they hate you since because you dey prove all these fake pastors. The Lord is your strength. Because I see Maureen dey talk and just now. I dey follow these people well because they are saying the truth. And they say the truth. I dey follow them well even before where they go where disgrace enter Suleiman body that day. I join. Because any pastor they mislead people. Any pastor wey don dey mislead people, me I no like am. I no like am. You call yourself man of God, you dey commit atrocity, different one. See this one wey happen now. There be ones just still carry this woman now for backyard. They come carry and go Mercy Land. They say na the woman I come by herself. Then the woman come to say, Papa not do like that, this and that. And that one now there be one go do. See, because you can't say Bisola can connect, say men are detained and there. This police now, about this police, EFCC or all these things when they call them for Nigeria. So, what do they do? Now they hear all this, and I don't go say make una investigate. Make una investigate, make una know the truth. Now just carry the woman when he comes. Somebody come be person come wait, which crime that cripple woman commit? Which crime Bisola can commit now when una come detain her? Now wow, I don't just know wetin. I don't know. I just turn the place to hellfire. Na hellfire o. Person when want test hair, make first of all go Nigeria, make you go test am first. When you want know how hellfire be, go first of all go to Nigeria, go test am. I don't just know. Egbe wa wo mi. I just start am. If I just listen, I just think of that woman on my body. And yesterday I no fit sleep. I just think and say, hey, so now so cold they catch me. Best go see get mind to arrest that woman. Maybe I'm gonna jail. You know when you watch you say, well, we know oh God. I beg, I want money or I want to reach, but God not give me the one where go make me crazy. Not give me the one where go not go let me know anybody. Not give me the one that will let me pity my neighbor. God not give me that one. That money when be say I will can't get, I not go can't know anybody. I not go no God not give me that riches. Instead of that one, so they chop my garri, they chop it by so I like her like that. I'm satisfied. Not give me the money when not let me know person I beg. Not make me popular when be say I no can't know person. God not give me that one. Don't give me that one. You want to let me know myself and know the people where they surround me, the hand, and that one I want. If that one not come there for your hand again, God not give me the one where go make me crazy. Because this kind of person when that call himself man of God, when be say not pity that woman wey not get leg, not fit waka so. That person don't crazy now. And they see say this woman they send wetin they call her Grace. See there among people where go with that. But Grace, you self born that kind thing happen to you. How you go feel and Grace? And I see some comment when they comment for that Grace this thing. They say upon all the criticism we are sick. When I even get sense if now Pikin lost like that, how now go think? Now just they happy. So una Pikin lost so. Somebody Pikin say oh God. Okay, now me no say now I don't talk say I don't know whether na Jeremiah carry I know about it or he don't know about it. But now in church now that Pikin for loss. And he call himself the way why me they talk to Prophet Jeremiah so. Now in church now the Pikin for loss and he call himself prophet of God. Prophet na person where they see now GO overseer. General overseer, not be. Why you not do general overseer? Why you not pro? And he go there for church. Can I pro? Why you not pro for this one? make e know for where the pikin dey, make e join this cripple woman find this pikin since 2019. na wetin me I dey ask una followers when I talk say among the criticism, if yes dem dey criticize am because na in church the pikin for law suppose to find am. Dem no fit carry something give you, dem think wey dem make dem give you the whole am before that woman enter that place. He pay money before he enter. Una suppose to take care of that woman. You understand? For Europe here, every citizen, everybody, the moment you carry yourself enter Europe here, your security is guaranteed. Nothing go happen to you. Anything dey happen to you, government is aware. Everybody, the people wey dey near you, na dem go testify. They are aware. They go even call police. Say, oh yeah, come see something wey dey happen. Eh? The police wey dey that country now, they no now who give them money, na they follow. They follow. Imagine the whole cripple for here. Government they take care of them. They go even give them house. All these disabled person people now they live better life pass us. Government they take care of them. Go give them house. Go they pay them every month. That woman then only she they go market by herself. They feed the children. They do waiting. Still. Jeremiah, you don't sit down, make you look this woman a disabled woman. Oh. Yeah, oh. Make you even support them. As you they carry money, they support all those people. No, this one now when you supposed to support, now you not support them. You now even collect money for your hand, join. Collect money. You not say this woman a cripple, make una leave and make it enter free. No day. Tomorrow now you carry money put for trailer, come the distributor. Which kind of money be that? Me I not value all those ones. I don't value them. I don't just value them at all. See as the whole world be now. Thank God so I never prophesize. I never thought say so. For those the time of coronavirus, should be all of now they prophesize that time. I never pro for this one. Look na pro how Putin won't be. I never pro for this one. Thank God for one. Cause that man. MC wetin dey call this MC say to me what to me o wana seti we je imi fun gbe mi abejo I get guarantee I get hope o me why king why gedegbe o wana seti me jo mi abejo it ataya Bisola na make una leave Bisola o bere ko wa this TB Joshua destroy life any. So why be the baby do add you wear why cover now because have motorman is sugar. If your woman just pity that cripple woman, that is why it take flight from Lagos to Abuja, from Abuja to Benin, can't find that woman. He reach now, not see the woman. What you come make una come hold am? Eh? If well the work of God not let you now do make una rest now. Is it by force to be man of God? Eh? If you say you be man of God, prove yourself for this one. The place where that girl, that Pikin did, that boy Pikin did. Whether na I don't know what they say that they call her. Whether na testimony or abi wetin they say that they call her. Anywhere it be, where he did carry and come outside. Anywhere he did, make you prophesy. Say so place now he did. Do the prophecy now. If this one is a challenge for you now, you call yourself man of God. Anywhere that Pikin did, where you know say he did. Carry and come outside. Well, who can carry that Pikin? Any place the way that Pikin tell us, prophesy and bring that baby out. Make everybody really know say yes, so you be man of God. Now wait till me I tell you, it's a challenge to you. Na challenge now be this one. Make you leave that woman alone. The way it just there, so that one and another suffer. Where it just there and come see another one come. You come your church now make life will see better for her. Another one come you can't see her to her. It's not good though, Jeremiah. It's not just good. Not good at all. Not good. If na so na tell they serve God, me I not follow na serve that God. That's why they always they tell me say make una stay. Make una stay oh, make una stay una own je. Stay for your house and pray to God. God will answer your prayer. And they come up because I dey cook. You need that now. Yeah, bring that pot for me. I'll first test myself before I come give you. Me I dey sip my pepper soup small for you. Catfish pepper soup. I know put am for video, but I put am for video. You have a comment video. Una video, you that video. I will remove it. Now well done, no. All of na good evening. I don't come here. Robo we worry mu. Adori emu catfish and the fresh catfish and fresh crayfish. Now take cook. No there. Irie o egbe no there. Come na egbe. Any go need light food now. Me like say I will go take put starch for this thing. I'm sorry to my people. When I come follow me chop. Come and enjoy with me. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to live video. I have a fear with you. I want to wear marriage in here or fly here. I know they talk for that kind of thing. I wear marriage. Or where so? On my way, say, you know, big bang. I know concern. I know they talk for that kind of thing. No, you be calling lo ma. Or say you na be win your video na. O me ni make waji e gbon. E ti ma gbe o. Dori da dori ro igbe. Ni meje. Ewu ni wa emi no come e deje gbe mi. Ere no pa ya debe cut it glass o. O ya debe ju esi o. Me ya dogo me be down boutique. You like e na do egbe meje je egbe we. You like e na de be down select ina ri ejo. Egbo we ejo eji I me like e be ni mana like e set it go mejo. So egbe mejo eji. I'm concerned about that. Egbo we. No mo bi do. just say no na my choice so na my choice so no me go biri o just say no no me bo just say no that don't get just say ika we he was na ya me go biri yeah ita biri kagwe what's na ya on viedo kuna me chosi wo kuna me ke no ma we de yo na le no yo bueno so be me gudon oppression e me waje me dey against me ho na oppression oni me wa dey against onu amobi wa na like it. I like oppression. Eriano. 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 I'm against fake pastors. Motor fifi. You really know say you be man of God though. Go meet go compro. Compro. Make we know where that boy dey. I saw you be most of fifi. Hey, ya fifi ya. Now they stay for my house, no, they go church. No, so in the house, no, they go church. Pray for your house, talk to God. God will hear. God, the Spirit of God is in everywhere. Because I did here, so the way I drink my pepper soup, so Spirit of God, they where you self did there, God did there. Talk to her, I go hear you. I go hear you. So 2014, let me not go church. I don't go church again. I rest my case in church. God is still aside. So my brothers and sisters, make them know they quarrel again. Who saying get belle? Don't a problem. Because it also you don't get another belly. Now good thing now, we dey congratulate them. No ma onye say what onye keke na akugwa. O me na no be una, o ma una disgrace you wa eno. No be only na you be. Good job. Marriage, obey. Good though. Is it good or is it bad? Me I take their matter, take the drink pepper soup. You know the mama oppression. Come me when I have oppression, I'm making so I matter. When man of God, you know when me down, how much go judge? I'm go me ya judge. Yeah, me pepper soup. Yet woman fear big care. I wear bonia. Go meet them. They will tell her for where the Pikin day. As is I don't maybe church running. Yet I may was some. Look when as desires or bo. Hear me to tell me what. O de setero, o sabe muere. Dios is arredo mu. So, this one if you no get born, what can you do? Emi ega gwe, nya wo ma no we born re gwe to. Emi ega gwe mi ja gwe gwe. Okay. You don't repair. Person dead. Ooh. I'll be the first person.
Okay, now you use this one command.
No, the other one I use. The other one, not the top people not let me use.
The big one already use.
Not let me use. You know theirs. Now just carry the other one. Maybe I say don't work finish.
Don't offer.
So now, so my people, I think we love ourselves. Therefore, the Bible one and the rich love yourself as your neighbor. You know, say, most of you love yourself now. I'm not sure. If you love yourself as your neighbor, you know go arrest that people. Zero. I'll mark you 0. But then you don't love yourself as your neighbor. Now collect money for your hand. So I call the fear to drink mineral now because they say China they do now. No brand of drink where they say they know they do now. When they do now, people drink because they get kidney problem. China beg me could not kid the world. Coronavirus wanna bring China virus wanna carry come. Never finish for me. God healing people. Umota fifi. The way you tell help that girl that they are like her. That just me. When I bring a success video out. Why you can't see this woman, you know, can't help her. Cripple. Pikin can't see loss. We say the woman shout now, say make they carry her come up for them. Say you won't spoil your ministry. Like I say, not good now. Not good. Not good though. You're supposed to join her. You be prophet. Can I pro? For pro, make you see for where the person, the way everybody really knows it. Yes, you are a man of God. Robo, where yakbo, Mari yakbo, me wari yakbo. Yakbo. Enjoy my food. I bet that might be a way for them. Yeah, stick on Nakada. I'm a yakbo. Ìwà gbogbo loko kakabo. I'm not be a bonny when one call gbogbo loko that they carry on. I show who my arm. When you watch it, show a gbogbo loko it may go in. Catfish, no see catfish, not too much get bone. Fresh one. Maria bone. But give me that maybe I make a drink. Yesterday I no fit drink my belly tight, overfeeding no good. Hey yo, me come see beer, call the look at yan. You know you gotta get beer in it, you know. Huh? Where me? Nothing. No. Today I no go. Yeah. Today I no go. I no go eat that kind of food. Now that banana I chop. I did my best this morning. That's small thing. I believe I won't. No, don't use this one. I cannot go far. I use this rubber cup. Wari akpo o. Ari emu. Ari akpo. Me ari o gaga. Robo wo gaga. Me a wo gaga. I did with Bisola. I did with Maureen. Yes, because they be true teller. You know why they like this catfish? If you take out, you know they see oil for inside. What do they call them? Putting, you must put out. Putting, you put out. You will put out one day. Putting, and put out, now you will put out. When you leave these people, but you don't say leave them all. Say, you don't surrender. But, President of Ukraine saying, you are not believer. I thought this. I mean, why don't know? I saw it talk. So, any latest about that crippled woman, they can't give you now. Only pass away the fuck another person work. Not gonna let me know. Only I go my call. Now let me know. I did at a lot. If you go do stash, I think that stash still remain. Okay, your choppers with the chop so. Yeah, well, me no want chop over trading today. Now I just drink my beer. Push campo. Me no do I get beer no. My belly come tight. I can't dey heavy one kind like pregnant woman. Like say I get belly of triple. EJ. Over video my ya like again. Now those soup were there for there. If we never finish, I'm not going to cook another soup. I mean, 1 night. A mistake, you know, they're not room. I mean, I don't want to hear if I'm not a fridge in every room. I lay here if I put it in a way. A milk waffle for where I remove with you. What I would got to be done. Níbẹ̀ no there are more bad. What's sister? Abi? The one I cooked yesterday. Okra and super big. That will make you keep them separate. Be like saying that one I'll take you good money. Good money, Jesus, tomorrow. Yeah, work be major. I not too much. I not eat today. Tomorrow, AJ, if I need to work more. Sharon, how are you? I'm gonna share the video. I'm gonna share them. Any latest, I'll call it given now. Papa, huh? What I mean? Upu. Cup there for up now. What do you call it, sir? Spoon. Is that there? Check the two this thing was one piece there. The iron sponge.
Okay.
Is that there? What do you want me? I don't wash everything. Rubber roll. That part of the arm rubber. What may I put yourself? Me no see. Only way. If I work by area. If I spend 2 months for a year, go eri haje. That akara you put am for there. Me make jere me na go le rubber na me na jere. E be like say na that one no. Before I go sleep, be like say I go touch like that akara. Very sweet me. Ije. Bí wá mi àmì àṣìṣe ń sìn, wọ́n ní mi á fẹ́ kó ayé náà. Ẹ ṣe mi fit put am for that one, make you put the akara for one plate. Okay. Adiyemi. Adiyemi. Mariemu o. Ọwọ́ ẹ̀ gàgà. Ó bá rí èmi o. So. Dámi ní yára èmi o. Ìsúnṣẹ́ gbé. I don't too suffer. C'est the message. Too much. Too much. Wa ya be minu jari e ba o wa minu jari e wa yo bu wa o ono go wa ga be bo jari e ba o wa no hian sun ora example kilo de vaties koko do e ga dan ya mo ono go wa minu jari e ba yi mana wa e because ma so second so anything about me that na ga ku we dey we Morocco that time to make about them sin or by ya ko ya zawo logo zo ha hian I make a raw I'm with blanket I je go zo ha I ya le wo do
Yes. You will see.
eh bro nothing no see Papa Supreme today na he come to say thank you he wey go chop finish go say he no chop. If you like say the pepper soup, make you try and make you see o. If you like say the pepper soup sweet well. Yeah, oh well, thank you. EJ. You know say your mama sabi cook well. Sabi cook o. Food that be my favorite. I see cooking and cleaning. And my favorite be that. As I dey cook, I dey clean. Wait, I know they take am as work. Cook. I don't take am as work. So may I tell you a story. I don't want to stay here there for nothing. May I tell you a story. But I experienced some things when I experienced for Morocco. Suffer when I suffer for Morocco. I not enjoy for Morocco. I not enjoy. May I tell you some small story. When I suffer for Suta Bush. So that Suta Bush, now where you go for enter Morocco, where you go for wait for na rubber this nylon, all those thick nylon. Now they take the build. Now we they take the builders for Suta Bush. That time. So me come go Suta Bush. When I reach Suta Bush, you can't get one man you call Poporo. Then here you Maria way. And that man, I pay connection. I not pay. I not just pay. And just I pay connection money for them. When you talk that time, I can't pay. As I pay, Morocco. I still deal with Asha. With Baba Beji. Baba Beji run for Suta Bush. Now because of me, Baba Beji run for Suta Bush. Me. It break your man. That's why. Yeah, what game I saw what go make one even go one because it break your money. Tell me ni ate setting boloko here when we. So I can't do for two bush. I can't give Poporo money. Say he won't strike me. You can't pay connection money for it. Poporo collect money from many people hand when they say no work. When at least you can't collect money for people hand to no work the that time. Say they say connection never did. All of us will be going to wait for them. And Poporo and Yoruba man come carry some people that day. Before they speak Yoruba, you don't know say me I dey hear Yoruba. I dey hear Yoruba, I dey hear Urhobo, I dey hear Kwale, I dey hear Ijo, I dey hear Shekiri, I dey hear Spanish, I dey hear Hausa, I dey hear Benin, Isha and Benin the same thing. Yeah, almost 10 languages. English come make 11. I dey hear. My problem is how to speak. Maybe my problem. Anything when you talk, I keep quiet. Plus, if they speak Benin, if I dey for where they don't know say I be Benin person, I know they show myself say I be Benin. I'll just keep quiet. If they use Benin, they cost me. I'll just look. I'll just be like say I don't hear what you they talk. Now that's what I do for everywhere I go. I will only Benin. Any language when that person they speak, I hear what you they talk. I don't go tell them say I hear. Because I dey wait for one day when that person go enter my trap, when he go come curse me with that language. That's so it be. Oh, Poporo with the Baba Beji. With one, I don't forget that one name. Because I come later German for Shoebridge. That one. You come meet. I see her for Tamara said too. They come they talk. Say, me, I just lie down for the tent now rubber bag. One thick nylon like that. Now we take the build the tent that time. Today I'm supposed to tell this story. I may just get time. Because the story long. Like I won't cut and short. So I pay money for Poporo to strike me. That night now they come they speak Yoruba. They curse me. Say they don't go walk me. Say you know if they take Yoruba they curse my enemy, not be me, they curse in head. Say no mind and this way. This place one is where you just like that for you. Then no, you not go work him, you just collect your money. You go join the rest people when you don't chop your money. If you get luck, if you tire for here, go find man where go the fuck for inside bush here. I can't when you talk that one, I can't raise up my head. I can't look the tree. When I sit down there, they talk. I say okay. I can't but they do like say they sleep. Come here. Yes, yes. See this goat. Me with my money. No problem. No problem. I can't do. They can't talk. They cause them, I can't cause their mouth finish. I can't leave them. They can't break. I can't do. They that I did. They look them. I not talk. Salubwa. Salubwa. Me. You want to go where you go, Bob?
Okay, no problem.
So, when they cost me gold today, gold craze, everything, only me one. For my money again. You use my money, they charge you. I say no problem. Encourage the day. When I say one go strike you, call they select people. Already me don't know a plan. You know, say get some days when there is power in this tongue. That's why me, I know they say swear. Get some times like this. You know, I know. Say that thing, that spirit there with me. I know they like to swear for person. No matter how that person go offend me, I don't go swear. But you just get sometimes, I know say I just dey free. Person just calls me and say, hey, you go die today. I go kill you. Now lie. As you just pay me now, I swear that swear. Nothing. But when that spirit there with me, I know they swear. I know they swear. No matter what you go do now, just look you. Instead, I will force myself to pray for you because I know say if anything when I talk that moment, it must come to pass. So it can't reach that day. Say in one walk. Already me don't know wetin they talk. I know see later I know say I know wetin they talk. You get one girl who gather there for 10 that and now Igbo girl that they call her Faith. And two of us did it that time. So I can't say one walk some boys. When later he can't still speak Yoruba for that Baba Beji say this wearing make they carry am journal. Maybe mama will say this mama will be wearing so poporo mama will be wearing and they carry am journal. And look I don't talk. They come by they not give me life jacket too. They come carry 2 life jackets. He carry 6 of us go striking point. He carry 2 jackets. I come dey look am. 2 life jacket now I come call Papa Beji say now 2 life jackets una carry say if those people take am enter Arabu go collect am for their hand bring am back. They will come still give another 2 people. So as will be 6 like 3 times then they go. You say it's dey easy like that. Say yes. Now I follow them. Come trek that night. And I lie then they talk. As we just reach where they won't start, they can't carry that 2 people where they won't walk. Then they carry the life jacket give them. Now I can't stand on top of the hill. As already me don't know. Now I do my hand like this. I call God. You don't know I don't suffer for this Morocco. If this man where they call Poporo won't chop my money, no better for him. This work you not go get head. You not go get head. As me don't suffer since when I did Morocco, this man won't come gog me dinner. I said this work not go get head though. You not go get head at all. Because this man not ready to work me. And Poporo, you will never get peace. I shout. Okay, when woman waiting and say nothing. You move my boy Benevana. Now here kegbe. Now here. Now mudia, you mudia. You know, madam, I can't say now where I just wait for now for you. Which time those people want to return the jacket? If we go, we not hear from them. We not feel just stay for you now. If we stay for you now, police go come catch us. Now we kill. Mana yoga. As we just reach the ghetto. In ghetto, then the Arabu just call and say police Jadan catch them for top of river. Say one boy he nearly die. Say Jadan as the boy come dey shout. Say the boy don't drink water. Then who carry the boy to hospital? There be 2. Like say one come die. Wave come carry wave. They say wave carry that one head go next to. The Arabu come tell Poporo. Poporo, you hear that one? He just shout, hey, Oluwa! Now he just shout to the rest of he not talk again. He not talk, say, see what happen. Just keep quiet. Until other people come to hear what happen. Then the strike when they do yesterday night, one boy die, the other one they carry and go with that. Because they use Yoruba, they tell all the Baba Beji. And the other one, don't forget his name. They see what happen. And this morning they call him. You don't want to talk. You want to make people hear him first. You don't want to take him out to talk that kind of word. You say, not be fought now. I can't look him. I can't look him. This man, my money not let you give me. So we come there. I bet you come they talk. They talk that day. I don't feel beer the thing when they talk for Yoruba. Yeah. All the thing when they just talk, I just if firewood we just put for them, I just carry one, nothing and not grand. I say, come. Nobody carry 2 heads now. This one head. Now everybody carry. Baba Beji, as I see you for years, so make I see your back. Leave me with Poporo. I go deal with Poporo for this Uta bush. Poporo not they deal. They talk. He say, I say, if you know say you be man, yo, it make your mind that make me. Now I just enter bush. I just cut one stick. I just take and rule ground. I say, I give you 5 minutes to cross that place. If you know say you be man, that 5 minutes cross this place when I rule so. cross am come meet me for this side. If you know say you be man o, if you know you are not a man, remain there. I call the way Baba Beji. Baba Beji no get up. Now if you cross am, if you know, if they no carry your dead body come off for you, don't say no be me. Whoever be a cause where he I wait to Baba Beji no come. Now I say okay. Be like say na because say na another place. Now I can't go wait am for road where they pass they go inside in test side. You think say me don't go. Now come they see am. You know as Yoruba they rake now. Not the rake they come. So I just see am. Now I just come out for inside brown. I can't rule the place again. If you not say you be man, cross this place. Now you come meet me. Cross am. If you not say you be mad, they born you when you say you be Yoruba, you be this, oh jao, cross am. Me I not be Yoruba, I be Bini. I not be Yoruba, but I be woman, you be man. If you not say you are a man and you be Yoruba as you talk, you get anything, all those jazz when you read for that side. Cross this place, make you come with me. They not gonna carry your dead body for here. I go. If you feel follow, if you cross that place, and after 30 minutes you still remain, you are still alive. You know say not be a horse where you born me. Now bush be this. Anybody where die like Ali, anybody where die. Baba Beji say, hey woman, what did I do to you? Now you dey jump poporo, and if poporo come, all those francophone, you don't go tell chairman, because they get chairman for that bush. You go tell them, say, see what did the apple. Now they come carry Baba Beji pass bush, come meet chairman. Chairman come say what happen. Don't call people, no. I can't judge for them. So see what happen. I can't say, hi. That day, I can't give me 500 for that money. Chairman come back and say, make I rest. Say, Toporo, if you just bring that money finish because you don't use some of it to buy material where you want to strike us. So, the day won't go strike me now, I will come pay the balance for her. Make I hold that time, 800 they take the strike person that time. You can't give me 500 for inside. You can't remain 300. Where is it there with Poporo till today? So okay. Now say Poporo. You don't go about better. You dey happy say you don't cross your Igbo woman enter Suta. Okay. Ogbekwa. Now you want Ogbekwa can gbe with Boko. Gelegele Ogbekwa agbe. You know because why my yare kege. Ona gele Ogbekwa. That woman then for Suta 92 for that vessel because Poporo come later run. Come out we no cause him for Suta bush again. Okay, Baba Beji na that night now Baba Beji run come up for bush. She say no, this Benin woman go kill am o. You no fit to now run go Ujda. Baba Beji, anywhere you dey, you see this video. Na lie, if na lie, come at me. You can't talk say na lie. And so I tell drive Baba Beji. It's like some people they talk to me now, just look and go, hey, old age no good, sha. Yeah. Well, when me I work big agbo, me like boy agbo. Just like that. You suppose God they give person part 2 for life. I don't see this part 1 as in be so. That part 2. Yeah, deal with it behind. It's not you. But they can deal with them well. Because when they grow, they come. I don't know whether you be woman. I don't know whether you be man. But they fight you. And if I fight you, I must give you mark. You work me. Oh, thank you, my brother. May God bless you. You work me. Ekme. Okme agbemi tozo here. Atala pari omera. I'm so good. My people, I dey chop bone. I dey chop bone. So I not believe. Ebony. When you want chop bone, that they can't do like that. No, I not they do like that. See, yeah. Real me now be this. That's why I do. Maybe the day we will come jump for one place. Maybe we'll come jump for ring road now. And that mama put where they for ring road. I wait till they call her. Huh? That mama put in no.
Mama Ebo.
Okay, Mama Ebo. We will come jump body for Mama Ebo now. Cause me say I dey gbogbo loco for them. Say, see this woman where they form for life either that they are not they form and not they live fake life. And so that Mama Ebo, they will go jump for that. I think the food they sweet well. Abi? They will come jump for that place now. You say I dey form, I no dey form o. Na so I just be o. Eri awo si awo wa ge gbolokoderi wa gbon pe fin. Yeah, you talk. There one. Now so with poporo. Last time when I hear from her, they say they Kodoba. I found but they deceive and say make you come severe. God come save and I won't get when they friend at that I don't make sure to get me. Because the girl don't matter. The girl go tell and say, see my plan. That is why it not come. Suppose it come here again. Oh here ya come. Fear no come let her come. Me. No one ya rek again. No thank God. Morocco I suffer well. Salam alaikum. I eat this thing cellular well. Cellular not the food. I don't know what they call cellular. That foul finger. Not the cellular. I eat cellular well. Akin, now they go carry and come that time. This if I see they go carry. I will go. You go for where all this Arabu where they keep chicken there. They'll just give you the cellular. When we reach house, come pour water, take boil them. Wash and throw away. Because the fish speak too for itself. Not to last and you well. What you go do? We'll chop them. So they do on that time. We come in your corner. But I'm going to be able to learn. And I go be food when we won't chop. I don't suffer. So me one day, as I chop this catfish, so that's so we dey chop it young for that time. Many of us will chop others one. Later when we call advance, we call enter connection meat. Connection meat. What is it called connection meat? I don't know. Una one not pass Morocco. I don't know what they call connection meat too. Me I tell you now what to be connection meat. You know all those bone. All those bone. But they know they chop connection meat from Morocco again now. They enjoy now. Now we chop connection meat from Morocco. So all those bone. You know, go make small meat for the body. Like cow head, the way go make small meat for the body. I will go carry for those people they sell meat hand. We'll carry on come house, come boil them. When you boil them, don't say when you boil them when it don't soft, you feel they remove them from the bone, and that will be condition meat. So when we come advance from cellular in for in we call enter connection meat. So it be when they use connection meat. We can remove all those meat. Or if you can cook. When they come to say we camarats, because black people na camarats that they call us that time, that they call ourselves. We camarats they chop them because they sell them for us, but you can't keep. So when you just buy connection meat, go your food pot. Come boil them, come remove them. Oh, you just chop them. In time we come there for Suta bush, no Suta. Another one we come to chop for them. Now when they call them crackers. That crackers, I think nice Spanish they call them. Spanish they call them crackers because I think say Spanish buy and that they carry and go out. They give dog. That crackers. Now in the no pollo. Those chicken chest. Where they don't remove the meat, come on for inside. A boy, yeah, not finish in the so they'll come do crackers. They call crackers. So now that one, now some people they go carry come for some of our friends. They go carry come for where they sell chicken. They'll come carry a come take a come cook vegetable. How are we? This man where they call this. Then one man, my friend though, girlfriend come still be my friend. With his girlfriend first stay for Suta Bush. Any place where they God go continue to dey bless them, they help them. They call am Murphy. That Murphy dey for Victoria now. None of us dey for Suta that time. Go. If you come, go carry that crackers come. Go just tell him, go just call his wife say. Now that lady when the friend that time I come be his wife now. Go tell her say, sister don't chop. That time we don't chop. We go say don't chop. I say yes. Come for one again. So what for me? If any man we do arrive by, no we la me be. The Murphy can. Battery don't go. Okay, my people, now so I'll talk on this. Next time I will talk the story again. My battery don't finish. Now bye bye. Good evening, Ronaldo. Now bye bye. Now so I say me kuna dey do. Okay, I dey chop now. I not come follow me chop. Right? Don't worry. Tame mo ye kebe we ya post when mu get o. Since we more when ya more go me get one poster DHL or UPS.